Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the controller dead zone in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is access the settings. So since I'm on a match, I'll just pause my game and access settings. And then within the settings, go to the controller section and then choose the combat. Now under the combat, you should see these three options. There's the horizontal sensitivity and vertical sensitivity. Now, below that, you'll see advanced. So select the plus icon next to it, and then you should see all these options appear. Now, since we are adjusting the dead zone, all you have to do is find these options, the dead zone options. So there's the minimum input dead zone, and as you can see, there's a graph here showing what that dead zone is all about. So if you want to adjust it, you can simply increase the dead zone, or you can just reduce it. The same goes for the maximum input dead zone. You can either increase it, you can either increase it or reduce it to suit your needs. Additionally, you can choose either to have a max dead zone sensitivity boost. If you want to have a boost, you can just simply adjust it to suit your needs. And also there's the horizontal max dead zone response time. So you can either reduce it or you can adjust it to suit your needs. Now you can scroll down until you find the disable aim assist at maximum dead zone. So for this one, I'd recommend you just leave it as off. You just keep it as off. And once you're done, you can exit. And now you can see if your dead zone or if the changes that you have made are applicable or you like the changes that you have made. If you want, you can just go back and simply adjust them and find the best dead zone settings that you'd like to make your gameplay even better. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.